Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Happy and Healthy Life Recipes. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more recipes and press the bell icon to get all notifications of our recipes. Today I'll make an easy homemade Oreo ice cream. So let's start the recipe. First, in a blender jar, I am taking 50 Oreo biscuits and semi-crush them. Now, keeping aside the crushed biscuits. Next, I am taking some ice cube in a bowl and place another bowl on it. Now adding 2 cups of fresh cream and beat it with a hand beater for 2 minutes on low speed. Now I am adding 1 cup condensed milk. It adds sweetness and creamy texture to the ice cream. Now whipping for 2 minutes in low speed. I am whipping the cream to stiff peaks. The cream is now fluffy enough. Now it's time to add half teaspoon vanilla essence and the crushed Oreo biscuits. Now I am gently fold the crushed Oreo with the whipped cream. Our ice cream base is ready. In a mold, I am pouring the ice cream base. On the top of that, I am adding some crushed Oreo. Now, wrapping the tray with a clear wrap. Next, I will refrigerate it for 7 to 8 hours. After 8 hours, the ice cream is now completely set. I am scooping the ice cream. The texture is so creamy. It looks so delicious. Now, on top of the ice cream, I am spreading some Choco syrup and Choco chips to give it a more chocolatey taste. Guys, hope you like this recipe. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more recipes and press the bell icon to get all notifications of our recipes. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care and stay healthy.